Ensuring that cargo deliveries are completed on time and within budget can be very stressful, especially when you want your drivers to have a safe and comfortable journey. And let's be honest, the shortage of 100,000 parking spots in Europe makes things even more complex when it comes to managing resting times. At the end of the day, your driver parks in an unreliable area after losing precious time trying to find a spot, and the next day finds you both exhausted and the cargo damaged or even stolen. Time to forget all these struggles. With the OTRA Fleet Manager solution, planning becomes easy, as you can find available spots in real time and guarantee a safe resting area for every truck and cargo. Enjoy real-time visibility, control your bookings digitally, and receive one consolidated invoice and VAT recovery. Join the fastest-growing network that brings truck drivers, parking operators, and transportation companies together, and focus on your other tasks while OTRA makes your life easier.